Okay, action.
Welcome to Bell You. Today we have Innocheer cleaning
Cleaning
set for kids.
tool set for kids.
So let's open it.
Let me see. Can you show it to Mama? For how old? For ano siya? 3 years old.
Plus.
Little cleaning tool set.
Plus.
3 plus? Yeah. Okay.
And let's open it.
It's 10-piece cleaning tool set
Okay, now let's open it.
for kids 3 years old and above.
Now we can open it.
3 years old ka ba? How old ka na?
4.
4.
But I know how to play with this now.
Yep.
But I know how to play with this too. Can you open it? I don't know.
You excited?
Yeah, I love cleaning stuff and I'm gonna clean the house.
Oh, you love helping Mama, di ba?
I love it.
Bella loves helping Mama clean up the house. She likes to sweep the floor. She likes to mop and dustpan. Wait,
I cannot.
wait, meron parang ano eh. It's open? What's that?
As for dogs.
No, I think that's a stand.
Oh.
Yep. Give it to Mama. What's that? The broom? It's all
Hey,
wrapped
out of
up.
here. Hey, box. Give me the plastic. Box.
It's okay. Oh, here. Here's the broom. And here's the hand brush.
Whoa. Look at this.
This is the hand brush. Oh, what's that? Oh, dustpan. Let me see the dustpan.
Here.
This is the dustpan. Cute. Very nice.
Where do I comb this now? Where?
Sa windows.
I'm gonna like it up.
Sa windows, dyan sa ano mo, sa toys mo. Yan. Oh, let's open this first, baby, before you, ano. You like this toy?
I love it.
Oh, careful! Slowly! Slowly, baby. Oh, this is the spray.
Be careful.
Spray.
Nice spray. Spray, spray, mama.
Spray.
And
And then you have some
wipes.
wipes or towels. This is the mop, I think. This is the mop. Yep, it's the mop. And then you have a sponge. Sponge. Oh, there's a dinosaur. Dinosaur. And this is the, what's that? The mop. And this is the, what's this, Dala? Duster. Uy, naglilinis ka na dyan? Ang sipag naman ng baby ko. Sipag. Oh, ito, duster. If there's any dust, oh. Oh, yan. What's that? Duster. Oh, doon sa kitchen mo. Sa kitchen mo. Duster. Good. Good job. Okay, let's do the ano muna, yung holder. Dinosaur suspension muna. Okay?
It looks like an egg.
Yeah, this one, oh. Get me that. That one. Yan. Oh, careful. Okay, let's put this
What's
here.
this for? Stand?
Yan. Yun ba yun?
I think so.
And then, where else?
Stand?
Yun ba yun, Bella?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I think so.
Let's see. Wala na? There's a red, ano, stuff over there. Wala na? Okay. So, we put this here. Ito na ba? Yeah? And then, this one. Think so. Huh? Dinosaur. It won't stay. Give it to me. One more time. Can you put it on?
Cannot.
You cannot. This one.
Where's the mop?
And then this one.
Where's the sweeper? Where's the sweep?
And then, oh, it's so tall. Look at that. And then we're gonna put this one. Wow, nice.
You can carry it.
That's your broom. That's your broom, Bella. And then we're gonna put all of this. There's 3 on the sides. We got it on. Look. Oops. Uh-oh. There. Perfect. Okay. That's your
Mop.
That's your broom, oh. Get mo ba yung broom? Oh, dito. Lagay mo dito yung broom mo. Sabit mo yung broom mo. No, this is the string, baby. This is the string, oh. Sabit mo. Oh, see? Oh, nice. So, sabit mo. Oh, this one pa, Bella. Put it on. This one. Oh, put mo. Okay ba? Nag-click na? Okay. Ay, we have to put this. I forgot. Okay, let me put this. Put the dinosaur on top. Wait, not me! You have to turn it around so the dinosaur will go. It's on now. Yay! Look, Bella. Look, we put the broom, the mop.
You can open it. Look, you can open it.
Yep, the hand brush, the towel. What else? Oh, yung duster. Lagay mo pa yung duster, Bella. The duster and
I
everything.
cannot go back, Mom.
Here, I'll help you.
So we you ended up. So you got the dinosaur and the spray and everything.
The spray, the broom, the mop. What else?
Everything.
The glass wiper. And then the duster, the hand brush, the dustpan, the sponge, the spray, and the suspension bracket. Okay. Uy! Hindi ako! Not me. You're not gonna mop me. You mop the floor, Bella.
Now where do you put this?
You mop the floor.
With this?
You mop the floor. Di ba nagmamap si Mama kanina? So, you know how to mop. Oh, okay, and then the next one. That's the broom. Oh, sweep, sweep, sweep. Stand up. Walis. Oh, walis yan, di ba? Walis ka, magwalis ka. And then, dustpan. You need the dustpan
What's the dustpan?
to get the red one. Yan. So, when you sweep, you put the what do you call it? The dust there. Oh. What else? Oh. Towel. Oh. Ay, galing. Spray po. Ang galing. Oh, wipe. Good job. Good job, Bella. What else? Oh, yung duster.
Spray the wall.
Spray the wall.
What?
What else? Look at me over here. Oh, that's for the glass. That's a glass wiper, I think. That's for the glass, like for the window.
This one?
Uh-huh. Yep, that one.
But this is the map.
No, that's for the glass, baby. Okay, next one.
Where should I buy?
The window.
But there's lines.
Yep. Oh, next time. Oh, the other one naman. Check the other ones. Duster.
What is this for?
Hand brush.
Where?
Like for the toilet.
I cannot find the toilet.
It's okay.
I'm just gonna wipe. I'm gonna pretend this is the toilet.
Okay.
I cleaned the toilet.
Good job.
And then I'm gonna clean the other toilet over here.
Okay, next one, duster.
Where's the dust?
Yan, oh. Yung kitchen mo. There's a lot of dust. Oh, dust mo. Dust, dust, dust. Ay, good job. Do you like this toy?
Brownie!
Uy! Oh, talaga. Do you like that toy, Bella? Do you like this toy? The cleaning tool set? So you're gonna clean your room all the time? You're gonna clean your... You're gonna clean your playroom all the time? Huh? Okay. Not me! Ikaw talaga. Not me! Ay! Bella.
You're so dirty!
Ay, ikaw talaga! I'm so dirty. Okay. Oh, thumbs up?
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up for this toy?
Yes! I'm doing...
Bella! You like this toy?
Yes! And sweet mama!
Ikaw talaga.
You're dirty.
Okay, say bye!
Bye!
Maglilinis pa si Bella.
Si mama!
Huwag akong linisin, oh, yung bedroom mo. Oh. Okay? Oh. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! See you in the next store review!
Bye.
Bye! We're gonna see you next.
Sabit mo, dito sa lalagyan niya. You have to sabit everything. Oh, may lalagyan siya, Bella. It has a suspension. So, when you're done cleaning the house, meron siyang lalagyan. See? Nice? I like that.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm almost done and we're gonna keep it hard. That's flat.
Okay.
So we have to inflate it.
Yep. Oh, go. Put it on. Nice. Yay!